Alright, what I'm doing is showing you where the motor mounts the lifting eye. This is a lifting eye. I painted it yellow because that was the color paint that I had. Let's see if I moved them. Yeah, if you see down there, those cans of paint. I used a primer. Should have picked some of that up at Lowe's. Oh well. This is the driver's side. You can see the lifting eye goes on the front right here, mounts to these two positions, and I broke with the chain my cap. I got a new one I'll put in once I get it installed. These were torqued to, this is the value here, yes, okay, I torqued these to between 24 and 32 foot-pounds. That's on this side. The spark plugs I torqued, they were torqued to 14, it's 12 to 17 foot-pounds. I did it at 14 in the center of the range. We're mounted there. Now if we come over, you take a look, it mounts in there and heads towards the valve cover. This is a 302 or the 5.0 liter. On the other side, you see it's mounted here to the rear. This unit, the eye, is set. So this is the back of the engine, up towards the front is where the eye goes. And if you take a look, there's one lifting eye here, and the other lifting eye is over here. And that's how it mounts in along with the spark plugs. On the passenger side, they head forward. On the driver's side, they head rear-wise, and that's probably because the heads are, no, the heads aren't the same, because here's where the exhaust comes out. And you have the exhaust and the heads, I think, are different. Looks like there's a left and a right. Okay, another thing to note while we're here is when I placed the distributor, that's number 1. This one has a metal piece that's right there like a panel that I can hold for adjusting. There's the screw, and if we take a look, pulling this off, this is a direction the distributor sits for number 1. There's a firing order, right? And there's number 1. Number 1 is here, and that's where number 1 is heading to. And looking, let's see, this is the number 1 cylinder on this side. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 5, it's easy to remember. 5 is by the oil fill part. All right. Here again is the firing order. And there you go. So I'm going to stop this video here and put it back together. It's cold and raining here. This is April 20th or so. But anyway, all right. There's number 1 one more time. Cylinder 1 over here. Thanks for watching.